Here is how we can set a daily time limit for Facebook on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how you can set it up. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one. Anyways, you can find it all inside of the settings app where you go to the screen time section, which is a little bit like toward the bottom. And you can get inside and make sure you have it turned on, because if you don't see anything, just enable the screen time. But then we are interested in the menu called app limits. So that is what you need to tap on, and you can essentially enable tap limits and choose specific apps which you want to limit throughout the day. So if I click on add limit, it's going to show me the category of apps. So I can go to social, find Facebook right there if I have it, then click on next and choose the amount I want to limit my Facebook usage to. So it might be an hour per day, or whatever you decide to go with. Then we also have the days, because perhaps you want to allow more time during the weekend, or however you prefer it. You can also choose it differently for different days of the week. Then you hit continue and you essentially see that we have set up the daily limit. So if you are using Facebook for more than that, it's going to actually stop you and it's going to tell you that the time is up and yeah, you have came across the limit. Obviously, you can click on ignore the limit if you wanted to and keep on doing that, keep on browsing, but it's at least going to give you the ability to keep track of that. Obviously, if you want to set it up for someone else, especially like for a child, you can also set up the passcode setting for the screen time, right? So if you set up the passcode, it just means that after the time is up for a particular app, then you can only ignore the limit or proceed to use the app with a passcode. And obviously, if you don't know it, then it's not going to help you out much. So that's all I wanted to show you. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks a lot. And let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.